Let's learn A to Z. A for alligator, ant, avocado, aloe, acorn. B for beaver, bee, bluebell, balloon, boat. C for camel, cactus, car, chicken, cherry. D for deer, donut, dinosaur, dolphin, duck. E for emu, eggplant. Echidna, elephant, earth. F for fox, fly, fire, fish, fig. G for giraffe, gnome, gorilla, goose, guitar. H for hen, hippo, house, honey, heron. I for iguana, igloo, iron, insect, island. J for jaguar, jellyfish, jug, juice, jumper. K for koala, kitten, king, kiwi, key. L for lion, ladybug, llama, leaf, lime. M for monkey, mouse, moth, moon, mittens. N for narwhal, nut, needle, net, night. O for owl, olives, ox, oil. P for polar bear, panda, plane, pepper, penguin. Q for quokka, quail, quill, quartz, queen. R for rhino, rain, rabbit, raccoon, rainbow. S for seagull, seal, sheep, sun, snail. T for tiger, tulip, tortoise, tooth, teapot. U for wakari, umbrella, unicorn, ukulele, Uranus. V for vulture, volcano, vest, violin, vacuum. W for walrus, wolf, wheel, watermelon, whale. X for Christmas, ximenia, xylophone, x-ray, box. Y for yak, yam, yogurt, yarn, yoga. Z for zebra, zucchini, zipper, zombie, zoologist. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel StarKidsTV.